Hey guys, welcome back to Sports Fanatics. We are on to our 2013 Prizm Football free hobby box break that we did through Instagram, Twitter, our website, email list, everything. But you guys had to have a Facebook to sign up for this. And we have got 52 entries. We were trying to reach 100, but we'll go ahead and go with 50. Like I said, if you guys want us to do more breaks, please help spread the word. That's all we're trying to do, and we'll get some more breaks going. Like I said, we're breaking the Panini Black next, 5-box case. But here we go. So what'll happen is I have everybody's name in here. Hold up. Hold up, guys. Okay, here it is down here. You pull up both these tabs. One has the names, one has the teams. And we'll go ahead and match those up. Okay, so let me get my dice real quick. Hey guys, I don't have a dice. Babe, can you try and put my dice on one of these? Guys, just go ahead and leave a comment on how many times we should randomize here. Is it in the little black thing? In the black thing. No. Okay, guys, we're going to go with 7. I see a bunch of 7s there. Seven it is. So we're going to hit randomize 7 times on your guys' names. Actually, we'll randomize the teams first, just so everybody knows what team they get. Okay, so here we go. We got all the teams, and we only got 30 in there, guys, too. You guys might ask why. It's because in all our breaks, we don't the 49ers and Seahawks are never available. I'm a 49ers fan, and my partner's a Seahawks fan, so we don't never list our teams, even in our breaks on our website. So hopefully you're not a Niners or Seahawks fan. That's the only 2 teams that you guys can't win. So we got 30 teams here. And 52 spots, so 30 of the 52 guys that signed up will get a team. So let's go ahead and hit randomize this 7 times. Randomize once, we got the Giants on the top, Dolphins on the bottom. Randomize twice, Tampa Bay on top, Philadelphia on the bottom. Randomized 3 times. Tampa Bay on top. New York Giants on bottom. 4th time, Chicago Bears on top. Denver Broncos on bottom. 5th time, Vikings on top. Redskins on bottom. 6th time, Texans on top. Panthers on bottom. And the 7th time, guys, here it is. We got the Steelers on the top. Jaguars. Chargers, Eagles, Rams, Panthers, Cardinals, Browns, Lions, Jets, Chiefs, Saints, Falcons, Bengals, Packers, Titans, Bears, Raiders, Giants, Cowboys, Vikings, Texans, Dolphins, Buccaneers, Redskins, Broncos, Bills, Patriots, Colts, and Ravens. So there you guys see the list. Actually, I'll go ahead and scroll down here to the bottom too, where it says we randomized this list 7 times. You see the timestamp there. So there's our team list. Now we go into our, hold up. Into our entries. This is everybody that signed up here. We got 52 of you guys signed up. No, if you don't know if you see your name there, but hopefully you do. This is everybody that signed up on Facebook. No other Instagram, Twitter, nothing else counts. You had to sign up on Facebook. So here's the names. Hopefully you see your name in there. I know I see a couple guys in there twice, like Casey Jackson. We got to delete you, man. You can only have 1 name in there. Anybody else? Let me check. Hopefully, if you guys see any doubles, let me know. You can only have 1 name in there. I see Mark and Nick Weiser. 2 different guys. Couple Bakers there. Couple Studinks. Looks like, yeah, so there you go. There's the list. So let's go ahead and randomize this list 7 times. Randomize once. We got Robert Mena on the top. Hold on, let me scoot this back. We got Robert Mena on the top, Nick Weiser at the bottom. Randomized twice. We got Grant Gein at the top, Joe Bordelot at the bottom. Randomized the 3rd time. We got Chad Baker at the top, Owen Gruden at the bottom. 4th time, Brian at the top, Cody at the bottom. 5th time, Matt at the top, Mark at the bottom. 6th time, Nick at the top, Bulldog at the bottom. And there's the 6th time here, guys. You see that? Sorry about that. You see the 6 times there? So this next time is going to be our final list. Hopefully you land in the top 30 spots, guys. Good luck, and here we go. There it is. So now we'll match up the teams, but this is the 30 people that get a team. Mace, Donnie, Charles, Andrea, Grant, Jeff, Nick, Joey, Humberto, Joe, Sports Card, Robbie, Ethan, Chris, Owen, Cody, Jack, George, Gabriel, Carlos, Manny, David, Skyler, Mark, Michael, Brian, Casey, Corey, and Ben. That's the cutoff at 30 teams. So all the way to 30. So let's go ahead and figure out who the 30, what teams you guys got. And then you guys can trade. So there you guys have it right there. Looks like Mace got the Steelers. Donnie got the Jaguars. Charles got the Chargers. Andrea got the Eagles. Grant got the Rams. Jeff got the Panthers. Nick got the Cardinals. Joey got the Browns. Humberto got the Lions. Joe got the Jets. Sports Card Master got the Kansas City Chiefs. Robbie got the Saints. Ethan got the Falcons. Chris got the Bengals. Owen got the Packers. Cody got the Titans. The other Cody got the Bears. Jack got the Raiders. George got the Giants. Gabriel got the Cowboys. Carlos got the Vikings. Manny got the Texans. David got the Dolphins. Skyler got the Buccaneers. Mark got the Redskins. Michael got the Broncos. Brian got the Bills. Casey got the Patriots. Corey got the Colts, and Ben got the Ravens. So you guys, there you see the list. Good luck. Now we open up the box. Actually, yeah, you guys have a couple seconds to trade. If you guys are in here in the room live and want to trade teams, let me know. There's our team list. And we'll go ahead and break this here in a sec. Yeah, Falcons got a rookie. They got Desmond Trufant. Hey, sorry guys. Maybe next time, like I said, keep spreading the word, and we could do another box. We can get another box of Prizm here. But hopefully you guys can help spread the word a little bit more. Give us shout-outs. It all depends on the kind of love you guys show us on there. So spread the word. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter. Spread the word on Instagram. And the more love we get, the more stuff we give away for free. Anybody going to trade teams? Miss Sharps, what's your first name? Yeah, that's why we tried to promote that everybody should be in here. Hey, Miss Sharps, what's your real name on Facebook? We need to know your name. Saints, they got Kenny Stills and Kenny Vaccaro. Hey, Robbie, you want the Saints, man. Matthew Sharps, I think you did get a team. Actually, no, Matthew Sharps, you did not hit a team. Hey, however, guys, if you guys did not get a team here, you're guaranteed a team. If you guys want to join the break, visit our site, sportsfanatics.com. We're getting ready to break a 5-box case of Panini Black right after this free break. Yep, the Saints got Stills and Vaccaro. That's a good team to have. Hey, nobody traded teams. I don't see any trades. Who got Patriots? Ethan, it's $20 and up on Panini Black 5-box case. We're breaking it next. So hopefully you guys stick around to watch the break. I'm gonna go ahead and get this break going, guys, so we can go ahead and resume our Panini Black break. Patriots, you got Dobson, Aaron Dobson. Hey, let me see. Did you guys bring my scissors? Did they ever bring my scissors? I asked downtown earlier. What the hell? They're not over here, though, so you must have brought them. Where did Yeah, this is the free break right here, Sports Card Master. You got the Chiefs. Okay, so here we go, guys. I'm just going to get this break going. Good luck, and stick around for our break. Okay, guys. And here's the teams once again, and let's go ahead and get this break going. Mace had the Steelers. Sorry about that. Donnie had the Jaguars. Charles had the Chargers. Andrea had the Eagles. Grant had the Rams. Jeff had the Panthers. Nick had the Cardinals. Joey had the Browns. Humberto had the Lions. Joe had the Jets. Sports Card Master Chiefs. Robbie Saints. Ethan Falcons. Chris Cincinnati Bengals. Owen Packers. Cody Titans. Cody Carter Bears. Jack Forbes Raiders. George Giants. Gabriel Cowboys. Carlos Vikings. Manny Texans. David Dolphins. Skyler Buccaneers. Mark Weiser Redskins. Michael McManus Broncos. Brian Bills. Casey Patriots. Corey Colts. Ben Baltimore Ravens. And as you guys know too, before I break, just let you know the rest of the rules. We only ship the 2 hits. So there's going to be 2 autographs in the box. That's all we're shipping. Nothing else. So if you guys hit and you guys want your base card shipped, you guys can send us the money so that we could ship it to you, but we will not pay for the shipping. Only on the 2 teams that hit autographs. They get their card shipped to them free. Everything else, we don't send. So, yep, here we go, guys. Good luck. Yeah, the Saints owner's here, but he don't want to trade it. You guys have a quick second. Okay, guys, so here we go. They don't want to trade, so let's go ahead and break this thing open. Good luck. And once again, like I said, we're breaking Panini Black next. If you guys are interested in joining and having a team, it starts at $20. This is a $5 case of the new Panini Black that just came out Wednesday. That's next. So here we go. Okay, guys, good luck. Here we go. Can you bring me a trash can? Lizzie? Whoever's in here? Empty box. So here we have 20 packs, and there will be 2 autographs here, guys. Good luck. After this, we're doing our Panini Black case, guys, so good luck. Wallace, Bess, Stephen Hill, Mike Williams, Tom Brady, Dayton Jones, and Robert Woods. We will be doing another break of this, guys, so stay tuned and make sure you keep spreading the word. It's Antonio Holmes, Lester Jean, Josh Morgan, Jaquiz Rogers, Alden Smith, Marcus Hunt, Justin Hunter. Dwayne Bowe, Mercedes Lewis, Vernon Davis, Josh Freeman, Jeffrey, Darius Slay, and Tyler Eifert. Flacco, Hawkins, David Wilson, Matthews, Robert Griffin, Robert Woods, and Tyler Eifert. Gronkowski, Schaub, Palmer, Claiborne, Jared Cook, Ezekiel Ansah, and Robert Woods. Van Tate, Jonathan Baldwin, Hester, Pierre Paul, Jennings, Rodney Smith, and Deion Jordan. No autos yet, guys. Like I said, we will only ship the 2 hits out of this box. Jake Locker, Jacoby Jones, Daniel Thomas, Michael Floyd, J.J. Watt, Escobar, and Keenan Allen. Ronnie Hillman, Blackman, Jordy Nelson, Santana Moss, Randy White, Tyler Bray, and Vance McDonald. Scoot this up a little bit. Greg Little, Curley, Gonzalez, Russell Wilson, Vincent Jackson, Philip Thomas, and Marcus Wheaton. Still no hits. Arian Foster, Donnie Avery, Russell Allen, Matt Forte, Tyler Wilson, E.J. Manuel, and Giovanni Bernard. Here, we got a hit in this one, guys. So here we go. Cross your fingers. Ben Roethlisberger, Jonathan Stewart, Marshawn Lynch. We'll bring Randall Cobb. And here we go. Whoever's got the Rams just got lucky. You got a Tavon Austin refractor auto for free for joining our breaks. Numbered 58 of 99 there. 58 of 99. Tavon Austin refractor auto for the Rams. And let me go over here to our list. Five, Grant Guillen. Grant Guillen. There you go. Congratulations, Grant Guillen. Make sure you email us or tweet us, Instagram, whatever your address, so we can get you the card. That's a nice start right here, guys. Free Tavon Austin auto going to Grant Guillen. Thanks for supporting us, Grant Guillen. There you go. First hit. Tyler Eifert and Eddie Lacy. Still one more hit in here. Maurice Jones-Drew, Vincent Brown, Tannehill, Alfred Morris, Gale Sayers, Keenan Allen, and Monte Ball. Cromartie, Daniels, Reggie Bush, Sidney Rice, Ogletree, Fisher, Matt Barkley. Charles, Kenny Britt, Martellus Bennett, Michael Vick, Mike Gillespie, Theo Reddick, and Cordell Patterson. Torrey Smith, Lamar Miller, Andre Brown, Christian Ponder, Fitzgerald, Terrence Williams, and Quentin Patton. Alex Smith, Cecil Shorts, Malcolm Floyd, Brandon LaFell. We got a Carradine refractor there. Jordan Reed, and Aaron Dobson. 4 more packs here, guys. Should still have 1 more auto to go. Ray Rice, and it's in this pack here. We'll go ahead and wait till the end on that one. Dustin Keller, Antonio Brown, Richard Sherman, Tony Romo. We got a Tyler Bray refractor. Arthur Brown. Scott Chandler, Josh Gordon, Eli Manning, James Jones. We got a Golden Tate refractor there, Monday Night Heroes. Andre Ellington and Geno Smith. Peyton Manning, Ryan Matthews, Fred Davis, Cam Newton, Percy Harvin, Marcus Sweeten, and DeAndre Hopkins. So here we go, guys. Good luck. Ray Rice, Jarius Wright, Rashard Mendenhall, D'Angelo Williams, and there we go. For the Titans. Whoever's got the Titans, guys, just scored an auto. Got a Bloody Ray Wilson auto there for the Titans. Let me check who had the Titans. 16, Cody Exley. Cody Exley, there you go. Congrats. Thanks for joining. Make sure you message us your address, and we'll ship you the free autograph. Cody Exley. And we had a Joseph Randall and Marquise Goodwin. There you guys have it. Free break is done. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure you follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. And we'll get more of these giveaways going. Once again, Cody Exley got the free Titans auto. And Grant Guillen scored the Tavon Austin refractor auto there, numbered out of 99. Get us your address, guys. Thanks. And let's go ahead and go to this next break. So I'm going to go ahead and save the video here, guys. And hold on tight. We're going to break the case open.